guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this animated puzzle on CapCut PC. So go to mask and select circle, copy and paste that, and you're going to make it into a smaller circle. Copy and paste that again, and you're going to make it into another smaller circle. Copy and paste that again, and you're going to make it into another smaller circle. If I can just find this. Then I'm just going to randomly rotate this like so. And then I'm just going to go here, go back to basic, add a keyframe here. And then here I'm going to rotate it to its original position. And you're going to do that for all of your puzzle pieces essentially. So here I'm just going to move it back to the way it was. Then here I'm going to add a keyframe, and then again I'm going to rotate it back here. Then again another keyframe. I'm just also putting it in the same placement. Rotate it. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is, hold on. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.